we're gonna get the blueberries ready. But I'm gonna add up chocolate. Blueberries to the chocolate. Yeah, just 1 cup.
1 cup of blueberries.
And we put water, put a little bit of salt to clean it, and purify water. So I'm using sourdough fed. So I already measure 100 grams, but this is my working vessel.
Your working vessel of sourdough. Mm-hmm. This is the homegrown bananas that we have harvested and we have to use. So they have to get really ripe for banana bread. What do we have over here? Brown sugar.
That's brown sugar, white sugar, 100 grams of sourdough, starter, 2 eggs.
2 eggs. And we have over here, we have melted butter.
80 grams of.
80 grams of.
So we have here is 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 12 grams of baking powder, 100 grams, I didn't put 150, I put 100 grams of chocolate chips, semi-sweet, and 3 grams of salt. That's what it is in here. 174, 261, it's fine. I might put some nuts in there too. We'll see. I'll think about it. Like we said, we got all this flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and chocolate nibs, because that's how they call it, all mixed here. And we're gonna mix it all really good. Now we're gonna work on that wet ingredients. We're gonna put this on the side, wet ingredients, and we're gonna add up the banana bread, the banana. We're gonna do the eggs. I need a fork. I'm gonna mix a little bit, stir a little bit the eggs. Okay, we're gonna add up the butter. You can put the butter in there. We're gonna add up the sourdough, starter, fed. I fed it this morning. Actually, I started yesterday, but I fed it again this morning. I fork it doesn't help. Put that. Let's take this. We're gonna add up the brown sugar, 100 grams, and 50 grams of white sugar. I think it's a pretty good mix. And then now we're gonna put the blueberries in there. Blueberries, we put a little bit of flour to prevent the blueberries from sinking at the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna we're gonna put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and I think I'm gonna do it by sections. I think my other mixer is better. The dough mixer. I mean, you can do this, but the electric one. That's better.
Yeah.
It makes it all the way. Should we put nuts or no? Not right.
No.
No. You gotta make sure there is nothing dry. I think it's good. Oh, look, still dry. Oh my goodness! You gotta make sure everything is all incorporated. Normal size for loaf of bread. Right. And I put some of them.
To help it release.
Yeah. I should have just done one. And that's it. But anyway, it's gonna go in there.
Okay.
You got it? You just know. Okay, let's do it like this. I don't know how to turn on the oven. Oops. It's going to be a chunky banana bread. Because I see chunks of bananas. And this is for chocolate lovers. Like for my husband. He likes chocolate. Some, let's see. Okay. I think so. We're experimenting here. I need to turn on the oven. And this is ready for the oven. We're gonna bake this at 350, right there, for 1 hour. And we're just gonna insert a knife to make sure this is ready. So it's gonna go there. So 1 hour.
Oh boy, look at that nice rich color.
But look at that, what the sourdough does, it bursts.
Oh yeah, the sourdough just makes it pop. Wow.
It's good. You see?
Yep.
Blueberries, double chocolate. It's got something more to take for Brandon Lee. Because Anna is not into chocolate.
Wow.
It's good. Very fragile though.
Yeah, very fragile.